What's good, everybody? I'm here. I just went to Guitar Center and I wanted to give everybody like a beginner's guide to what you need for a home studio if you want to either make a podcast or you just want to record yourself. Obviously, what's missing from here is speakers, but we're gonna get on that on another episode. But yeah, this is like the basics, like affordable basics, or I say mid-price basics that you want to go get if you want to start making like close to professional sounds from your home. All right, so the first piece of equipment that I got here is the Scarlett 18i8. It's third generation from the Focusrite company. And I started off with Focusrite, like I'm on the Focusrite Scarlett right now. Like the first generation down there. Had it for a minute. So inside the box, got a pretty big interface, big and solid in the plastic. I know Scarlett is like the #1 company right now for home studios, the most reliable at that. Like, I could take a look at that out of the plastic. What I like about this new model is like it's a lot sleeker. It's not as boxy, it's not as sharp, it's smooth. You got your controls on there, real smooth. All the controls smooth. Got 4 input ports. Take a look at those. 2 headphone ports. Then on the back, which makes this a 8 input and output interfaces back here too. You see the additional. Yeah, it's like just a modern version of the original generations, 3rd generation. So I only went with this model because of trying to record multiple vocals on a podcast, or yeah, that was the main reason. Is multiple vocals on the podcast, and just upgrade it from the first generation. All right, you got your basic. This is a USB with it. They call this USB 3 cord. Then I'm gonna assume it's the power cord because I know that interface take a lot of power. It's different. Instead of just coming with the regular American adapter, they got a European adapter too. That just show you how wide range the Focusrite brand is. They thought about people overseas too. You got your basic adapter, power cord. Put it to the side. We're gonna use that later. All right, and the next piece of equipment that you should go get is these are the Sennheiser HD 280 Pros, and I got sold on these at the Guitar Center. Actually, I was going for like a lesser model, a lesser model of these, and I got sold on them after I put them on and after I heard what they could do. Like, they got a full range of sound for anybody looking to mix down their music at the crib or mix down vocals at the crib. I opened these already. I wanted to test the vocals for the show on them. So inside the package you got headphones. Cord does come connected to the headphones. You can't take it out. Right. On the side you got your HD 280 Pro. Nice big cushions. I know people be worried about their ears and how comfortable it is. Some people sweat while they making music in their headphones. These look like they pretty breathable, pretty big. But when I put them on, the best part about them is it's like noise cancel. Like I can't hear nothing when I put them on, and that's good. Like the least I can hear from the outside is the better I'll be able to hear what I'm trying to produce and what I'm trying to work on. All right, then you got your cord. I don't think I'm gonna unravel the whole thing, but let's see. I never did an unboxing video. I know people like it for different reasons, but it's my first one. You got your standard cord. It actually comes with a piece, which is good. You don't have to worry about going to buy an adapter from Guitar Center. They give you your own adapter on that. And it's also good for you to, if you want to put it in your cell phone or you want to put it in your laptop, just screw it off. Alright, so along with your next level interface, you want to get you some headphones that can provide you the same quality that's pushing out of the interface. Right now, this piece of equipment right here, I know a lot of people will probably bag on it or say like it's lesser, but these have been like really sturdy for me. Have been really reliable for me over the last couple of years, and they withstood a lot. These are the Audiotechnica AT2020, and this microphone is like amazing to me. Super crispy. It can perform anything that I wanted to perform out of my sound and give me good lows. Like I'm on it right now, like giving y'all this video. That's the quality that we get out of this microphone, and it's cheap. It's $100. You got $100, you can go get this microphone right here. You got your paperwork inside, warranties if you want that. Standard microphone. Got your Audio-Technica right there. In the back, AT2020. It's a standard microphone, very sturdy. It could withstand a lot, and yeah, it's just crispy. Can't complain about it. I'm pretty old school with the equipment. I like stuff to be real sturdy. I don't really too much care about the sleekness. And like I said, if you got $100, get that microphone. They come with a nice little, I don't know if it's real leather, but they come with a little leather bag with your how you put this on your mic stand or whatever stand you're using. They come with it. This is sturdy too, and it's reliable. So it comes with that. You can pack your microphone up in this bag as well when it's time to travel. So yeah, like I said, this is the basic equipment that you need for if you want to start up your own studio at the crib. You want to record yourself, you want to record your own podcast, you want to record your own music. This the basic stuff. You go to Guitar Center and go get Sam Ash